In this presentation, I'll be discussing the 5 main reasons why Etsy is a great platform for selling your creative works. Etsy has become a super popular marketplace for artists, crafters, and creative people to sell their one-of-a-kind products. Whether you're an experienced artist or just starting out, here are 5 reasons why Etsy is a great place to sell your creations. 1. Global audience. Etsy gives you access to millions of buyers from around the world who are looking for handmade, vintage, and unique products. Unlike selling at local events or stores, Etsy allows you to reach customers from everywhere. Needless to say, this means that you can connect with more people and sell more products. With Etsy's search tools, your products will have a better chance of being found by buyers who might not have seen them otherwise. 2. Helpful community. One of the best things about Etsy is its supportive community of sellers. If you need advice on how to take better photos of your products, price them, or market them, you should be able to gain plenty of helpful guidance from other Etsy sellers. There are several groups and workshops where you can learn from experienced sellers and get tips on how to grow your business. Many Etsy sellers also keep blogs, so that can be a great place to interact with other entrepreneurs like yourself as well. 3. Marketing tools. Etsy is a fantastic place to market your products and attract new customers. You can easily create discount codes, run promotions, and share your listings on social media. If you like, you can even run social media ads and use hashtags in your captions to attract even more people to your shop. If you're using SEO to write your product descriptions, potential customers will have an easier time finding your Etsy store as well. 4. Customization options. On Etsy, you can personalize your shop to match your style, brand, and specific aesthetic. From your shop's banner and logo to the descriptions of your products, you can show off your creativity and make your shop stand out. This is great news for Etsy sellers who are particularly skilled in writing and photography. Instead of using stock images and templates, you can write catchy descriptions and take high-quality photos for your Etsy shop. Having access to so many customization options will help you create a unique identity and build trust with your customers, which is always a plus. 5. Affordable selling. Fortunately, starting a shop on Etsy doesn't cost much. There are small fees for listing your products, but you won't have to pay a monthly fee to keep your shop open. Needless to say, this makes it easy for Etsy sellers of all sizes to get started without spending a lot of money. If you decide to run ads on social media, that might cost a bit more, but running ads on social media can be quite profitable, so it should work out well for you in the long run. The fact that selling on Etsy is so affordable also means that you can sell your creative works at reasonable prices. This will help you build a loyal customer base. If you're an artist, whether you're into painting, crocheting, or making custom stickers, selling your creative works isn't always easy. Thankfully, Etsy makes the process of selling creative works a lot easier. Oftentimes, customers turn to Etsy because they're looking for something unique and handmade. I'd recommend using this to your advantage. Emphasize the fact that your products are handmade and one of a kind.